Two sides are primed to give it their all in what promises to be 90 minutes of relentless end-to-end action. We should be in for a cracker. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray and the former England forward Sue Smith is with me for commentary. We've got action from Major League Soccer coming up. How do you see this one going, Sue?
I'm anticipating a good match today. It's important they get off to a good start, play their way into the game, be confident on the ball, and hopefully we won't be disappointed.
This is how the hosts line up.
Well, it looks like a 4-2-3-1 when they're in possession, may go to a 4-5-1 when defending. You'd think the double pivot in midfield, they're key to protect the back line, but they also need to get forward to support the press. There's going to be plenty of threat from the wide midfielders too, I'm sure.
Now there could be a real chance developing. This is the visitors' team for today.
Well, no real surprise to see they're also set up in the same formation. It's just how effective those wide players can be. The onus is really on them to attack those bylines and turn their fullbacks.
Taking advantage there to win the ball. Carlos Hill. Could be setting something now. And the pass narrowly fails to reach its target. Throw in to come. Carlos Hill. Lovely ball. This could lead to something. Beautifully weighted ball. And the referee sees that as a foul. Free kick to come. No whistle, the ref keeps things moving. Ronaldo Vieira. Lots of room for them now. And the promise of something happening is over. The play just breaking down a little here.
Definitely, it's a real scrap, isn't it? They don't seem to be on the same page, do they?
Positive play on the front foot. Now it needs a good ball in. Good patient build-up, but not quite the end product. Werner. And he goes, and on, and on. And that's really frustrating. All that work, then the first man hit. As we thought, he's giving out a booking.
Yeah, it's a good call to go back and book him.
They decide against putting it in. Lovely setup. Now he's in. And it's in. It's no longer goalless. There's the opener.
Well, here we can see it again, and a simple finish it may be, but it's all about the movement in the box, just to find that yard or two of space. That's what makes it an easy finish in the end.
So off we go at 1-0.
Number 11, Timo Werner.
Read the pass well and cuts it out. Carlos Hill. And delivered into the middle. And it maybe just drifted a bit offline because it's the keeper's ball. Vieira. Ronaldo Vieira. Starting to get interested here. And he's in now. Good save, and look where it's gone. Danger dealt with. Great instinct there to cut it out. Ronaldo Vieira. Good pass, good chance. That's out of play. It'll be a throw now. Pass is incomplete. Nicely won. Oh, could be a chance here. Taken cleanly and held on to. Oh, could be here. And that's where the attack ends, overcooked and behind. Well, that's not going to cut it. Now there might be a chance as they keep it moving. The chance to cross here. And they've been given a free kick for that. He got his head to it, but not the right part of the head, it seems. It's a bad miss.
Well, the away side have controlled the game in the last 15 minutes or so, created loads of opportunities. You think if they can be clinical and score another, it's going to be tough for the opposition to get back into this.
And maybe another opportunity is in the works here. Ball given away. Carlos Hill. This could be threatening. There's a nice passing rhythm to the play. Chance to level things. Oh, I don't believe it. A sensational challenge.
Yeah, recovers so well there.
And we're nearly there for the first half. And it's finally poised, Sue. Are they deservedly in front?
Yeah, they've dictated the play a lot in the first half. They've had some good possession and created some good openings, but the game's completely still in the balance. I'm looking forward to the second half.
Carlos Hill. Wants possession, but that alone won't bring them level. Good-looking ball played in. He could be finishing this. Trying to carve out the angle. Well stopped and safely away. Teeing up the chance now. And on that whistle, the first half comes to an end. Well, of all the players we're watching today, would you agree that he'd certainly get good marks so far?
Yeah, I think he's had a really good first half. Not only his goal, which he took well, but his overall performance. I'm sure he'll look to continue that in the second half.
And the second half kicks off with 45 more minutes ahead of us. Well, so much space to attack. Closed it down well. Werner. Now I wonder where this is going. Great rhythm, there's a real flow here. So the chance now to extend the lead from this corner. And there's going to be a change now.
To be replaced by number 77, Aug-May.
And the ball comes in. The whistle goes for a free kick, and this could be really promising. Goes for goal! Well, he really wound that up, but he was very close to scoring.
He's so unlucky not to score. I didn't think he'd shoot from there, but nearly got his rewards.
Fagundes. Switched on and ready to intercept there. Really good pass. And the forward progress continues. That took a touch on the way out, throw in to come. They're making a change here. Space now to get a crossover. In to win it, but the ball goes out. Carlos Hill. Starting to get interested here. A little bit deep with the approach now. It'll come their way soon. Too much on the pass and over the byline for a goal kick. Diego Fagundes. Making decent progress here. Oh dear, had to make the keeper work harder there.
Yeah, the keeper does everything right, but it's a straightforward save in the end. Surely he's got to score from there.
Possession really is all for them now. Could be all square here. And the momentum is lost.
Yeah, you can see that they're a really well-coached side, can't you?
Vieira. The ref allowing the game to flow. And they've got it back now. Still behind, but this is looking promising. Last touch off the defender, corner to come. As we thought, he's giving out a booking.
Yeah, it's a good call to go back and book him.
Well, both bosses have decided to make a change now. Delivered into the box. And it's well held from the corner, an assured piece of goalkeeping. Vieira. "20 minutes left to play. And the run goes on. Setting up the chance. And that's been overdone. It's behind for a goal kick. Now here comes a change.
Gavin Barrett, please report to your seats to meet your group.
Carlos Hill. Only 15 minutes left for play now. Oh, brilliant anticipation. Carlos Hill. Not so much given away as cleverly won. Delivered into the box. It's off the bar and over it goes.
Well, that's unlucky. His movement in the box is great. I just wonder, does he mistime his jump slightly and that connection just isn't quite there?
Carlos Hill. Well, some here will, of course, be very happy with the score, but a few fingernails to be bitten before the end.
Yeah, you'd say that marginally they've been the better side. They'll be happy if they can hold on in the final moments of the game, but they'll have to make sure they keep it tight and compact at the back.
Vieira. Good patient build-up. Delivered into the box. And they'll be able to get that away.
Well, the fans are certainly doing their bit, really pushing the team on. Just need to be clinical now.
Still going, the ref letting them play. Beautifully weighted ball. And possession given away. Now there might be a chance to level things. And that one is got away. Fagundes. Gonzalez. Werner. Well, that brings the match to a close. A frustrating day for the fans in attendance, and it's 3 points dropped.
Yeah, just not at the levels that we're used to from them. They looked a little bit sluggish from the start, to be honest. They'll be disappointed with that, and they'll certainly look to bounce back quickly.
Well, he's performed admirably, a really good performance. Managed to put his stamp on the game.
Yeah, his performance was good. Crucial goal which gave them the lead, and the belief to then go on and get the result. He showed quality throughout.